making today easy, spicy pork ribs cooked in oven. Let's start. So I'm a bit busy lately and I do not have time to cook complicated things. So I'm making spicy oven pork ribs. So I'm using frozen pork ribs, and after I wash and cut my pork ribs, I will marinate with very easy marinade. I like Samyang sauce. So I'm using Samyang sauce, soya sauce. I use light soy sauce, and also corn syrup, because if you use sugar, it tends to burn in the oven. So I'm using corn syrup and mirin. You can use sake or Chinese cooking wine, and salt and pepper to taste. That's it. So I marinated overnight because I know today I will be busy. So I don't have time to do all those things. So I prepare it the day before. So today I can eat something good without a lot of effort and spending a lot of time. And then today I just need to take it out, wrap it with baking paper, and then stick it into the oven, medium-high heat for 45 minutes. That's it. Then I can do my other things. If just me and my family, then I don't even transfer it to another plate. I'll just serve it as it is. Minimal washing. But for presentation, yes, I will put it on the plate. Minimal effort, but still very, very yummy. So that's it. That's that. My spicy pork ribs cooked in oven. Hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye bye.